Mr. Antonio, you will also confirm na sa inyong sulat na may petsang August 22, 2022, sinabi nyo na as early as July 1, 2022, 7 OVP satellite office na ang naitatag ng Office of the Vice President. Ito yung mga satellite offices sa Bacolod, Cebu, Dagupan, Davao, Surigao, Tacloban, at Zamboanga. Tama ba?
Yes, that's correct.
At nung bawat isa nito, sinabi ninyo, and I quote, are catering to an average of 100 to 150 clients per day. Tama ba?
Yes, that's correct.
You will also agree na walang naiulat na untoward incident sa rollout ng mga satellite offices na yon bago ang December 21, 2022. Tama ba?
In terms of the operations within the satellite office, no untoward incidents.
Okay. And you will confirm that during the rollout of the satellite offices, wala pang confidential funds ang Office of the Vice President. Tama ba?
During this time, ma'am.
Wala
During this time.
Okay. And you will also confirm na beginning fourth quarter of 2023 up to the present, you continue to roll out satellite offices and projects under your umbrella programs, the Good Governance Program, the Socio-Economic Delivery Program. Tama ba? Wala ding naiuulat na untoward incident sa mga rollout ng mga proyektong ito. Tama ba?
Yes.
Yes. Now, etong certification, which is prosecution evidence, P-I-12-M, nakasulat dito na this, and I quote, this certification is being issued upon the request of the Office of the Vice President for whatever legal purpose it may serve. End of quote. Tama ba?
Yes, ma'am, based on the document.
Based on the document. Kung gayon, hindi ito record na iniingatan sa karaniwang takbo ng gawain ng Office of the Vice President. In short, this is not a record kept in the ordinary business of the Office of the Vice President. Yes?
Yes, I would say so.
Yes. The certification was only produced upon request. Tama ba? Based on that document.
Ma'am, for this specific document, ma'am, I cannot say that it is upon request, ma'am. I cannot, based on my understanding, I cannot assume.
Even if it is expressly stated in this document that this certification is being issued upon the request of the Office of the Vice President, hindi mo rin masasabi na issued to upon the request.
Asked and answered, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor, that's just a follow-up, Your Honor.
Witness will answer.
I cannot automatically assume, ma'am, na it is made because through a request, just merely because of a statement that indicates na based on a request.
Okay, so ibig sabihin mo, maaring nagkamali lang yung explicit statement.
Your Honor, please.
No.
Your Honor.
What's the basis of the
Misleading,
objection?
Your Honor. Maaaring nagkamali lang.
How is it misleading?
Or
Your Honor?
argumentative.
Argumentative.
Or argumentative, sustained. That's the witness answer, counsel. However unacceptable it may, or unacceptable it may be.
Also, in those 4 certifications that you were earlier confronted with, wala ring nakasulat na amount, wala ring nakasulat na pangalan na pinagbigyan ng confidential funds, walang sinasabi kung saan ginastos basically yung confidential funds na pinapatunguhan dyan sa 4 na certifications na yan. Tama ba?
Based on the document, ma'am, no, it does not indicate.
Okay.